I wonder what the construction club will learn today. Ooh! I think Mr. Rubble is going to teach them how to make concrete. He's mixing cement, gravel, sand, and a little bit of water. Now they're mixing it up really well. And wow! It sets hard as rock. Now it's their turn. Let's do this! Everyone's helping with adding the ingredients, and CJ is going to mix them together. 1 bag of cement, some gravel, some water. Oops! Careful! Now all that's left is the sand. But that doesn't look like sand. Good mixing, CJ. Oh dear! That looks more like slime than cement. Whoa! Let's try it again. 1 bag of cement, 1 of gravel, and 1 of sand. That's a lot of water, Digley. Go, CJ, go! That looks better. Oh, but it's too splashy. Oh no, bad luck, Mr. Rubble. 3rd time lucky. Sand, then cement, some gravel, and just a bit of water. Well done, everyone. Now mix, mix, mix. Look out, Mr. Rubble. Oh no, he's stuck. But wait, the concrete is perfect. Well done, crew. They earned their concrete mixing badges for making a perfect batch of concrete. But they might need to help Mr. Rubble out now.